Yeah, good morning. So we saw a good correction in yesterday in US market, mainly in expectations of Fed uh, testimony in the House Financial Service Committee. So wherein he may reveal that whether the rate cut is coming sooner or later. Uh, so Thereafter, even the Asian market are seeing some decline and continuing the yesterday decline also. Uh, Indian market had seen some decline yesterday, but had specifically in the broader market. Uh, the futures of the US market are a bit uh, positive, and what we see that whatever the reaction has come in the US market, I think market will be waiting for the Fed comment, and thereafter it can again continue its rally. Uh, Indian market are likely to see range bound trade as we are seeing some profit booking in the broader market, and which is likely to continue in the near term. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So we have seen a flattish to sideways movement in yesterday's trading session, though it was a little downfall in the start. Then it was a more of a flattish move in yesterday's trading session, and we're expecting a similar move in today's trading session as well, when Nifty is opening on a flattish note and gonna be a sideways to range bound move. Well, the Nifty has got immediate support is in the range of 22,270 to 280 levels. If that is broken, then we can see a downside toward 22,200 to 22,140 levels as well. Whereas on the flip side, the immediate resistance for Nifty for any further rally is currently placed at 22,440. If that is broken, then we can see a rally toward 22,500 to 600 levels in the coming days. Talking about Bank Nifty has shown a good move in yesterday's trading session. It has given a good rally from 47,752 all the way to 48,050. That is approximately 300 points in a single 15-20 minutes rally. And overall, then it went sideways. But today, the immediate support for Bank Nifty is currently placed at 47,580. If that is broken on closing basis, then we can see the previous support levels to be tested, which is 47,250 to 47,000 levels. Whereas any further move in Bank Nifty will only occur once Bank Nifty crosses 48,140, followed by next resistance is 48,380. If we talk about Financial Nifty, it has closed around 20,970 levels. The support for this index is currently placed at 20,900 and followed by 20,830. Whereas the resistance is currently placed at 21,050 and 21,130. It is a very stock specific market, but we feel HDFC Bank is looking good at current levels. It has given a good breakout in yesterday's trading session, and we feel the rally should continue in HDFC Bank for a target of 1500 by keeping a strict stop loss of 1409. Second stock we are liking here is Kolpal. If we look at Kolpal chart, it has given a good breakout as well. Kolpal can be bought for a target of 2620 by keeping a strict stop loss of 2520. So that's all from my side. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. Uh, on the derivative front, looking at the overall, chart, um, more or less, it's the same. Good part is the VIX is coming down, from sub 16 levels now, even below the 15 level, 14 and a half as well. So that's a good sign. We expect Nifty to remain range bound because 22,200 to 22,500 strikes continue to witness some amount of built up for the calls front, and on the put front some liquidations were seen there. So yeah, probably another couple of days of consolidation, and then some buying can come in, and once 22,500 is broken above, you will see further buying coming in. We expect 22,500 to be broken sometime at probably in the next week. Now, looking at the stock specific front, we believe metals continue to witness good buying action, and they should continue to witness good buying going forward. So SAIL, NMDC, Tata Steel, Hindalco, these are the stocks which can do very well, even Jindal Steel. So yeah, look out for the same. They can, give good gains in the next 3-4 days. Yeah, that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Centrum Electronics has received an order of 187 crores for realization of space-based EW payloads from DRDO. That's positive. Company's order book had remained flattish since last 5 quarters, and so this will be a decent respite. Sangvi Movers has approved incorporation of wholly owned subsidiary to carry out the business, the EPC business, which it had earlier mentioned that it will be entering. So this will be, seen positively by the markets, as company will now, be able to focus better on growth and profitability via a separate company, and the accountability will improve. So that's sentimentally positive. Also, stock has declined due to some developments on the wind industry, and we think that closer to 1,000 levels, it becomes a good stock to accumulate. JM Financial has been barred by RBI from giving out loans against IPO of shares and also against subscription to bonds. The company repeatedly helped a group of its customers to bid for various IPO and NCD offerings by using loan funds. Credit underwriting was found to be biased, and financing was done against meager margins. Overall impact should be minimal on the company's financials, as the IPO funding book is very small. Although the development is sentimentally, as well as from corporate governance standpoint, it's a negative for JM Financial. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, Gopal Snacks Limited IPO is opening for subscription and closing on 11th March. The price band is set at rupees 401 at upper end, and the total issue size is of rupees 650 crore, which includes only offer for sale by the selling shareholders. The company is established in 1999, and it is the fourth largest player in the Indian savory snacks industry. It has a presence across 10 states and 2 union territories, where it offers a diverse range of products in ethnic and Western snacks. Company has 617 distributors across regions. We expect the Gopal Snacks to grow its top line in low teens over the next 2 to 3 years, which is inconsistent with the industry growth, which is forecasted at 11.7% CAGR during FY23 to FY27. In FY23, company's profitability ratios of ROE and ROCE stood at 38.6% and 41% respectively. In comparison to the industry, if we look at the overall profitability ratios are higher. However, this is on account of lower advertising expenses. If we look at the previous trend, the company has spent less than 1% of revenue on advertising and promotional expenses, and we can see gradual increase in the upcoming years. Also, major revenue is coming from the Gujarat, and there is limited presence in other regions, which provides a greater opportunity for the company to penetrate further in existing as well as in the new regions. The issue is valued at PE of 45 times to FY23 EPS, which is believed to be reasonable when compared with the industry average. Thus, we recommend subscribe to the issue with a long-term investment view. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Havells India had said that they will be entering the kitchen appliances businesses. And for that, the company has planned for expansion aggressively, and has targeted to reach in top 3 players in next 3 years. So that looks quite interesting and positive, considering the brand image of Havells and distribution network of Havells. We expect that can be possible, and this will add up a new line of stream and will help it in growth of revenue. So positive for Havells India. Apart from that, The MIDC has disallocated land of around 512 hectare for India Bull Real Estate in Nasik, where it was developing as SEZ. In fact, the development was quite delayed, and that's why the MIDC had discontinued. Though India Bull Real Estate has will be going for appeal against this decision and will be fighting it legally. But sentimentally, it become negative for the India Bull Real Estate. Then Wipro has got an order from General Motor and Meghna for developing a B2B platform for sale of the cars and all. So that is a bit positive. And similarly, Sonata Software has also announced plans to set up a delivery center in Poland, which is nearshore center for European market, and that to meet the increasing demand from that particular region. So that is also positive for Sonata Software. Yeah, that's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed a spurt in prices in gold and silver, and later prices cooled off. So there could be some profit booking today. So gold can correct till 54 5 buy on dips with a stop loss of 64 300. On upside, it can again test 64 850 to 65,000. So watch out for that. Silver also prices corrected, and we are expecting on downside, and one can buy for a pullback with a stop loss of 72 400. On upside, again 73 700 seems to be a important level to watch out. So as long as it is trading below 73 700, then there might be some profit taking to be witnessed. And in metal front, copper is resisting 732 levels, and so there could be some range bound movement. On downside, it is supportive at 722. So there could be some sideways movement from 70 to 32 to 70 to 22, 722. And similarly, zinc also, there could be some consolidation from 215 to 218. So one can trade within this range. And we are witnessing crude oil also. Prices had breached the resistance area at 65.15. Now it is below. So there could be some range bound movement from 64.50 to 65.50. So trading within this range is recommended, and natural gas also, there could be some profit taking. So selling with a stop loss of 167 is recommended, and on downside again 153 150 level it could test. So watch out for that. Thank you very much. I would request Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USGNR, we are expecting some sideways momentum within a range of 82 on 82.98 on the higher side and 82.90 on the lower end. So one can initiate a long positions around 82.91 to 82.90 levels with a stop loss of 82.89 for the target of 82.95 and 82.96 levels, and on the higher side 82.98 one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 83.01 for the target of 82.91 levels. In Euro INR, if prices breaks the level of 90 levels, no one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 90.15 for the target of 90.85 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a short positions around 105.42 levels. The stop loss of 105.52 for the target 105.15 and 105 levels. Thank you.